Hey y'all, we are jumping right into this video and we are going to be making these chocolate molten lava cakes, which is Joanna Gaines' recipe from her Magnolia cookbook. This is the 3rd edition of her cookbooks and we have made these several times. Well, actually my husband has made them several times. This is my first time making them because we realized Molly has not made the chocolate molten lava cakes yet. So here I am doing them for the first time and they turned out so yummy and delicious, so good. So the first thing that you need to do is chop up all of this baking chocolate. We use the 60% cacao. I believe it's 60 or 70%. I can't remember exactly. I'll try to throw that up on the screen. But you want to melt that till it's nice and shiny like you see right here with butter. You have to melt butter and the chocolate together until it's nice and shiny, and do this at a very low heat, like the lowest you can go, and just be patient. That way you have it mixed together properly. And then you're gonna add your flour, I believe is what I added there. I can't remember. Flour into the pot, mix it all together, and some, wait, maybe this is the flour. Maybe it was eggs. Oh, I added eggs first. Eggs and then flour and then a little bit of salt and vanilla for good flavoring. And I'm using our homemade vanilla that my husband has made in the past. We need to make some more because I think we're almost out. And you mix that all together and then we're going to put them into these little 6 ounce, I think it's 6 ounce ramekins here. And I found these ramekins at the grocery store on the day my husband wanted to make them for the first time. I was like, well, shoot, we don't have anything to bake them in properly. So I found these at the grocery store and we have done this so many times and it's so easy to make these. I'm just wiping off the excess here. So now we're gonna pop these into the oven for, I can't remember how many minutes it is. You'll have to look at the recipe and see. But I did check them at one point and I thought they were still a little too wiggly, so I put them back in for another minute and it turned out perfectly. They look like little chocolate soufflés to me and they're so cute. And now I'm going to plate it up, and you have to be very careful because it's super hot. Plate it up and I'm going to pair it with some yummy ice cream on top. And it just is so divine, so good. And some powdered sugar as well. Of course, you gotta put the powdered sugar. Try to make it pretty. If you wanna see some more lava cakes, go check out my friend Donna from Baker Brews, because she has a chocolate lava cake video from about a month ago or so. And she gives you a little history lesson, which I think is so neat. So you might have to I'll link her channel below in that video. You'll have to go check it out. But look how delicious. This is so yummy.